Can a gummy really make you taller? That's what Nourify Heightener Gummies claim. Let's take a closer look and see if this is the real deal or just too good to be true. Quick disclaimer before we begin: everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Nourify markets these gummies as a natural way to boost height, especially during growth years. The website looks polished with bold claims about bone support, growth hormone stimulation, and safe ingredients. But here's the catch: there are no Trustpilot reviews and no listings on other trusted review sites either. That's kind of a red flag, especially for a health related product. It's hard to verify any real customer results. Right now, there's just not enough reliable info to call Nourify Heightener Gummies legit. With no third-party reviews or real user feedback, it's best to stay cautious. If you're curious about boosting height, you might want to talk to a doctor or nutritionist first. Have you tried Nourify or know someone who has? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more straight-up reviews like this one.